Okay guys, welcome to this video. Now let's actually check. Okay, now we're actually doing this video. We were actually playing press the button but I forgot what the name is. And we're trying to get the flying carpet. I'm only at this much, but I actually don't know. So actually,
hi guys, welcome to my brother's YouTube video. Brother's YouTube. 6 years old, he's turning 7.
Also, guys, we're actually going to get so much button clip.
Yeah. Turn green soon, guys.
Come on, I need to get to 100. I'm close. How did he already get 94?
You need to press the button, dude.
I did. So, no, not this one. I don't even like.
Okay, time to end the video.
Nope, you're done.
Bye guys. Have a good day.
Not yet. 5 more minutes.
No.
Yes, we can take that much storage.
Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the live.
Fine, and you're even doing it more. Fine, and I'm going to a different spot.
Come here.
Okay guys, now we're actually still do this video. It was a little bit chaotic of me. Now we're find the blocky cola survive? Okay. Let's find the blocks. The cola. The blocky cola. Okay guys, we're actually going to here and who in the world that guy, how did he get that? That's not the illegal item. Two players survived? Hell! I need to get some more codes. Bad weather. Oh my god, all of that! No, I don't even like this. I sometimes die on this. Why did this guy actually do? I will actually die now because I'm not trying to play. And it has to playing with me. What's up, guys? What's up? Ate, what's up? It's bad weather. It's like, it almost killed us. Get here. This is where my secret spot. The lightning never starts in here, okay? Okay, guys. Oh my. Get ready to fight. What? I just died. Bruh, I also have Why in the world do I have so much skill? Oh my gosh, why is this guy keep on playing? I guess I actually have money, a money bag and also pizza and ice cream that just makes me want to die, Oh my, I just died. No. Tommy's my homie. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I almost just died in there. I almost just died. Why is the acid statue burning? the ATV statue. Button presser. I don't even know what that. Recording? Yep. Still recording? Let's go! Guys, today guys reaction. That's what? Yeah, I actually got in my first door of pizza. It only took me like 5 seconds. Or 6 seconds. No, everyone just die in this box. Everyone. To kill me. I died because you like it. Why? And I only have 1,982. No, I'll just protect myself because I don't have to do this. That's the strat. Strat is hide. Bro, I just died inside a tree.
Can I watch?
Yeah, and it's actually for a while that I'm actually recording. And also, guys, we're actually going to do a really good thing. And actually, if we actually get enough, we can buy the flying carpet.
Is it flying carpet?
Yep. Flying carpet. Look. Flying forever.
Yeah. What are you playing? What, Roblox?
I died. I forgot about that part. The only ways to go on this part that are more thicker.
It's acid.
That thing! You not see! But it's not smelling in this part.
Why does it have
Free money! Because that's for my avatar. It's free in the shop in the avatar. My avatar is more bigger than everyone's avatar. I love that. It's taller.
It's the tallest?
Yep, they're actually using flying copters. No, I need to run. I don't. I want to warn you about that.
Who's about the big menu? What's that?
Big menu?
What's that?
Nope. Active name is that in Roblox is called about Mikey D. Mikey the Bee. And he's about to die. If he actually takes that, then he'll die. Wow! Active! I'm almost at the top. Oh, we can just cheat. We can just do this. The cheating. Yep, like this. And go on the rope. That's cheating. But actually, I'm doing it.
What's your name in Roblox?
I forgot.
But there's a winner
Oh, look. Me. I'm second place.
Yours,
And somebody.
yours, Oixmens. Oixmens.
Okomani.
Oixmens! Your auntie did that?
Yep. Also my TV. And also I was actually second place, and Ate B actually was in fourth place.
Did your teacher say this, man?
Nope. Well, I have 202. Now I just need 600. I just fell off the map. By accident, I need to get the coin. Yes. Let me step on a mine now. Boom. It's a boom bomb. Everyone, step on the bumblebee bomb. Oh no, I don't even like this. I don't even like this. I died. No, we have eliminated life in this game because it's not even
How you
life.
gonna get him?
No, it's the bowler that's walking. Ah. What? Oh, I just almost died.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy. Yes, before I was.
Ate, second place.
What's for the? No, I know this. Dodge the crazy snowball.
You should.
Hey, do you remember? Do you remember that that it was so chaotic that the electricity went out to this day. Actually, accidentally, and the power just went off. Invading! No, we're gonna die. Someone died with a flying carpet. We died. Get me in. I must. Get me in the alien spaceship. I also have two. How? Look how much money do I have.
How much?
Look.
Reward. Seconds with 2,000.
Yep. That's all. I need to get to 6,000 to get the flying carpet.
No, that's cheating.
Your auntie said it's cheating.
No, but it's only. No, you said
But you earned it because you have lots of money, right? The 6,000.
No. Be careful with this, okay? You go where it's going. Are you actually gonna die? The dodge. Done. The ring. Dodge the rings, okay? Dodge the ring. Action! I don't know. Glitching out the game. 5 players won. I won also.
Because you're only 5. You won because you're only 5?
Oh my gosh. I know this part. I know this. You have to avoid all the rockets that are doing the opposite. Oh my! I almost just died in there. Rewrite it. Rewrite. Oh my god. If it's still recording. Yeah. Guys, and guys, this is all the video. If you want to, then like and subscribe.